Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, heated and cooled front seats, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, trip computer, CD player, heated front seats, fog lights. Your new ride is just a phone call away.